Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Bank Deposit Insurance Program. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Prime Minister of India recently said that Rs 1,300 crore had been paid to over 1 lakh depositors who could not access their money as their banks faced financial crisis. Further 3 lakh such depositors were said to receive funds stuck in such accounts. Now let's understand what is deposit insurance. It is a protection cover against losses occurring to bank deposits if a bank fails financially and has no money to pay its depositors and has to go in for liquidation. The government has set up Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, that is DICGC, under RBI to protect depositors if a bank fails. Earlier, out of the amount deposited in the bank, only Rs 50,000 was guaranteed, which was then raised to Rs 1 lakh. Now the government has increased this amount to Rs 5 lakh. Now let's discuss about the coverage of the bill. The bill will cover 98.3% of depositors and 50.9% of deposit value in the banking system, way above the global level of 80% and 20 to 30% respectively. It will cover all types of banks, which also include regional rural banks and cooperative banks. It will cover banks already under moratorium and those that could come under moratorium. Moratorium is a legally authorized period of delay in the performance of a legal obligation or the payment of a debt. Now moving on to insurance cover. It will provide funds up to Rs 5 lakh to an account holder within 90 days in the event of a bank coming under the moratorium imposed by the RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. Earlier, account holders had to wait for years till the liquidation or restructuring of a distressed lender to get their deposits that are insured against default. The Rs 5 lakh deposit insurance cover was raised from Rs 1 lakh in 2020. The Damodaran Committee on Customer Services in Banks 2011 had recommended a 5-time increase in the cap to Rs 5 lakh due to rising income levels and increasing size of individual bank deposits. Within the first 45 days of the bank being put under the moratorium, the DICGC would collect all information relating to deposit accounts. And in the next 45 days, it will review the information and repay depositors within a maximum of 90 days. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Deposit insurance refers to a protection cover against losses occurring to bank deposits if a bank fails financially. 2. Bank deposit insurance program do not include rural banks. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.